po ay makakasama natin ngayong umaga. If I may, please allow me, Attorney Annalisa Te, Assistant Secretary, DNR. Palakpakan naman po natin. Paul Basintal, Director, Saba Parks. Each and every one of you here in this Congress. And I'm very, very happy and of course honored to be a part of a gathering of this nature. And I really look forward to a very productive interaction, a fruitful exchange of knowledge and information, and valuable sharing of experiences and lessons among the participants of activities. After this Congress, I hope we will be in a better position to sustain more our gains, apply more effective interventions and innovations, and face more with confidence the challenges in the conservation and protection of our marine biodiversity. To be honest, I know this is not an easy job, but this is our obligation. So, to Conservation International's Executive Director, Mr. Romeo Trono, and of course, Mr. Ricky Nunez, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this opening ceremony. And I assure you of my 100% support, being the governor of the province of Batangas. Let's continue our partnership in Batangas, and we will exert more efforts and provide more resources. We talked about this already, Mr. Nunez. But anyway, with due respect, I guess this is maybe the bad news. I wish I could stay longer here today, but I have to be back in Manila today because of our workshop of ELA, Executive Legislative Agenda. It started yesterday. So again, I hope we will have a very, very fruitful get-together. At the same time, my best wishes to all your future undertakings. And again, if I may reiterate, I will support you all the way because sincerely, I believe taking good care of our environment is taking good care of our lives and our future. To each and everyone, may God bless us all. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to our beloved province Batangas, but right now we're in Tagaytay. Pero we have the same vision when it comes to environment. So I will be here to support this project 100%. Thank you very much.